Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the cutting edge of smart tech news and trends. The Bacchus Electric Autonomous Robot by Vitebot is an impressive combination of cutting-edge technologies, essential durability, and precision. It's designed to liberate farmers from the exhausting work in vineyards. The Bacchus robot is entirely electric, utilizing a range of innovative tools for soil processing. And most importantly, its operations fully comply with the strictest agroecological requirements. Bodenbau has the new Bauer CSM machine type RG21, which is equipped with the latest technology in terms of quiet operation and minimal emissions. In addition, the CSM system is fully resistant to vibrations and subsidence. Consequently, construction risks and inconvenience are minimized as far as possible. The RX12 is a robotic lawnmower from Robomow that can easily tackle uneven gardens thanks to its floating cutting deck, ultra-modern design, and slope control of up to 15%. If you have a lawn area of less than 150 meters squared, here's a model specifically designed and engineered for your garden. Plus, the RX12 is as easy to use as possible. A short one-time setup is all that's required to connect the base station and run a cable around the perimeter. The new RoboCut is based on a proven concept, innovation, and the most advanced technology to lead the market. The machine is rewarded with a 56 horsepower diesel engine, lower center of gravity, high slope capacity, and double safety arches. RoboCut provides maximum stability on any terrain thanks to its ideal 50-50 weight distribution. The 282 horsepower crawler harvester truly combines a shortened upper body and narrow folding boom geometry. The result is high productivity and minimal cost per ton of logs processed. And what's more, thanks to the integrated harvester head, this model offers unrivaled uptime, especially when in contact with large logs. Pruning green or dry trees, such as citrus and olive orchards, is now effortless with the new pruning machine from BMW. Perhaps its main advantages are great air circulation and easy handling. The machine is equipped with an independent hydraulic unit with an 80-liter tank, internal filter, cooling radiator, and double pump. Various hydraulic offsets allow the machine to be adapted to any type of row. What can I tell you about the JCB model? Firstly, that it's a powerful load-all telehandler equipped with the latest EcoMax engine, which has even won international awards. The machine has a large load capacity, high lift height, and reinforced hydraulics for maximum productivity. A real workhorse, so to speak. When you need to move trees, you turn to the professionals. When professionals need truck spade, they turn to Dutchman. It's rugged, it's powerful, it's a quality that can't be beat. The company's experts have unveiled a new line of truck shovels ready to tackle the biggest or smallest of tree transplanting jobs. And it looks very impressive. Several years ago, the well-known company Breilmeyer, which produces motorized mowers, organized something like an open landscapes day. What was the purpose of organizing such an event? The manufacturer wanted to showcase a lineup of 15 new machines with various attachments. The demonstration turned out to be very successful, and visitors were able to witness how wet meadows and marshes can be maintained using the latest technologies, with care and high efficiency. Well, it's time to meet the new feed mixer, TrioTrack M. This self-propelled machine has a volume of 14 meters cubed, and is equipped with a single vertical auger and a cutting loading system with a feed rotor for loading feed into the mixing tank. What makes this technology unique? First and foremost, the manufacturer has employed a unique loading system that ensures clean operation and no loss of valuable feed components. It's definitely a useful addition to any farm. Today, we'll show you the concept of a new model of scraper, which is distinguished by a narrow frame with a width of only 3.63 meters. The bucket capacity of such a machine with a cap is 23 meters cubed, which is also important. For the new brainchild, Company K-Tech used many innovative solutions, including a set of power transmissions. The designers also included a concealed hose routing inside the bucket side walls and a curved ejector end. And the fact that this scraper has been designed to work closely with Rockback's 38-ton tractor makes it incredibly productive and efficient. The right choice of grader is the key to its highly efficient operation. At least, that's the opinion of FMG specialists, who have developed this machine in different modifications. Depending on its size, the grader has 3 or 4 blades. They can be smooth blades or blades with carbide tips. As an additional equipment, the grader can be equipped with a hydraulic rear rake, which has 2 additional wings controlled by a joystick. By the way, the joystick control allows the driver to adjust the speed and direction of the machine himself. Urus Deltrac is a universal machine which is capable of carrying various interchangeable attachments. It can be a recultivator, snow milling machine, mold board, sweeping brush, etc. The machine is controlled remotely from the remote control, and the operator can send up to 18 different executive commands to it. As a mower, the machine is designed for cutting tall grass on slopes up to 55 degrees. With its many advantages, this reach stacker offers high safety, efficiency, precision, and stability. The integrated operating system provides the loader with excellent performance. The engine, transmission, electrical, hydraulic, loading, and spreader safety systems are integrated in the CAN bus, which means that the entire working process is monitored in real time. The Raptor 800 is a modern self-propelled mulcher on a tracked chassis, which is the most powerful and productive machine on the market. It was designed to solve extremely complex tasks effectively, which must be accomplished in the shortest time possible. The purchase of such a machine will be an ideal solution if you need to clear cuts for the construction of gas and oil pipelines, highways, railroads, and power lines. One of the largest chain trenchers in the world is in front of you, and it's the famous Next Trencher. It's designed for laying large diameter pipes and digging deep trenches. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. As for the width of the trench, which can be laid by this machine, it ranges from 12 to 150 centimeters, and its depth can be up to 6 meters. Important, you no longer have to bend your back while picking strawberries. Now, there's an innovative generation of strawberry picking robots called Agrobot E-Series. These machines are designed for autonomous operation in the rows of any farm. A big advantage is that the harvester does not touch the strawberries themselves. Up to 24 robotic manipulators pick and trim the stems, then place them in a field container for subsequent packaging. Moreover, advanced visual processing automatically determines the ripeness of the fruits. This is what the new square baler from Claas looks like. The machine is designed for very high throughput per hour, and this is probably its main advantage. It all starts in the pickup, which easily grabs large and uneven swaths, and it ends with perfectly formed bales, especially compacted at the edges for stability during transportation and storage. Do more work with less effort is Caterpillar's tagline. Adhering to their working concept, they've created a mighty waste compactor, model 836K. This giant weighs about 55 tons, and its power is 535 horses. But the main advantage of this machine is that it is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. In the new Universal ILF Alpha, Energreen has combined its 20 years of experience in the development and production of high-performance technology. And when you combine this with the latest technology, high-quality components, and demanding quality management, you can safely say that the company has achieved a new standard of performance, safety, and flexibility in use. From the outside, the whole thing may look like some kind of fun watermelon ride. But in fact, what you're looking at is a special tractor machine with a customized fruit picking system. Its flexible rubber hoppers, placed on a variable speed hydraulic polyamide conveyor, clearly allowing workers to perform all their duties quickly and efficiently. And so, for a second, this technique is equipped with one line of hoppers and one unloading point, which is designed for a maximum capacity of 80 to 90 watermelons per minute. The performance is impressive. The GMR Hedge Tractor-Mounted Mulcher is a great option for both the novice and the professional. The low design and hydraulic offset system allow you to drive the shredder under the trees if necessary, without snagging branches with the tractor cab. And what is most important, no surprises on the way will stop the work of the machine, because the special hammer design can shred even the smallest tree that appeared on the road. You're looking at the industry's best hydraulically operated self-propelled crusher with a versatile rubber track undercarriage. And by the way, it's through the use of an expandable track system that the manufacturer was able to achieve high cross-country capability, minimizing ground pressure and agitation. At the same time, providing a stable sanding platform and exceptional traction. All in all, a beast of a machine. It is now extremely easy to harvest olives and almonds. All you need to do is to buy a special machine from Afron and then shake the trees well to catch the harvest. Ideal for gardens with a minimum trunk clearance of ½ meter. The technique copes perfectly with young and already mature trees that use mechanical hedging. You see the modern Moorbark 3200. In fact, it's a relatively compact horizontal chipper designed for processing wood and green waste, as well as pre-crushing. This model is available as tracked for greater mobility or electrically powered and can be equipped with Moorbark's most popular features. Just look at how this Metalcraft scraper works with the tractor. This wheeled machine has an open bucket with a cutting edge located between the front and rear wheels that cuts, picks up, transports, discharges, and distributes material while moving forward. One of the main advantages of the scraper is the fact that its use does not require the usage of any additional equipment. Load compacting machines, because when moving its dense wheels, are able to tamp the dumped layer of soil. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The scraper has 290 horsepower, while the tractor has 570 horses. The bucket capacity of the scraper with a cap is 38 meters cubed, and the maximum speed that this equipment can reach is 55.8 kilometers per hour. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine. And the 2614D Modification D scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. The CH Series grader attachments are the ideal tool for the most demanding profiling tasks, from spreading stone to backfilling and precision profiling of landscape projects, as well as maintaining access roads. This equipment is packed with powerful features that make it a great solution for well-maintained gravel roads. Features include a dual-blade configuration and side panels with replaceable shoes. Do you want to weed or clean the edges of green spaces, sidewalks, or urban floors? Then this powerful and highly efficient brush adapted to the mower arm is just for you. From the advantages of the machine, I would single out the new variator of forward-reverse tilt, speed, and orientation of the working body on the mower. Other pluses include the powerful hydraulic motor with high torque and the motion control unit, which is now located in the operator's cab. The Slopemaster is one of a kind. Its unique design makes it the perfect companion for any large mowing job, whether on flat ground or at an angle of up to 60 degrees. It has several features, including a safety warning light, a winch for evacuation, and multiple shutoff mechanisms for total safety in all situations. This is a so-called Green Climber, a machine designed for forestry and dense vegetation. The mower is enclosed in a frame that protects its hydraulics and components from falling branches and debris. The 75 horsepower diesel engine on this machine is the largest in its class and does not require regeneration or DEF treatment to meet emission standards. Let's get straight to the point. Lower belt speed, smoother movement, gentle placement of birds inside the containers, full attention to the well-being of animals. All this is about Apollo Generation 2B. Birds are loaded naturally, without stress, neatly placed in crates without direct contact with operators. The machine has been specifically designed to facilitate simple, fast, and efficient daily operations. And it's a real gem. Guys, this is just a game changer. You'll definitely want this revolutionary robot if you have cows. Lely Discovery 120 is designed for cleaning manure from the solid floor of the barn. The collector is geared towards an entirely new approach compared to traditional manure scrapers. The thing is, the robot doesn't push the manure out, it sucks it in. Thanks to this, the accumulation of manure where the animals stand is a thing of the past. You see the latest bale feeder from Tube Line Manufacturing, designed to feed round bales up to 2 meters long and weighing more than a ton. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic loading arm to place the bale on the table, after which a rotating apron chain is triggered. At the same time, the retractable fingers of the drum unravel it. As the bale approaches the core, the table can be tilted to increase the contact between the bale and the drum to ensure full feeding. The laser leveling machine that you can observe is a special machine that works based on a laser beam as a reference. The success rate of such a machine is high because it operates at higher speeds and the working width is larger than other soil leveling tools. With a laser leveler, the ground can be leveled at the desired slope with an error close to zero. Irrigation of leveled land becomes more efficient and plants develop evenly at every point in the field. And this is the new generation fixed hammerstone crusher model. The robust and powerful machine incorporates a large diameter rotor with evenly distributed fixed 32 hammers. Thanks to these hammers, the stone crusher can crush stones up to 500 millimeters, and its hydraulic counterblade adjustment allows determining the required level of stone crushing. The Chemrock EK140 chain cutter is the first of its kind on the market. It was developed for use on excavators from 1.5 to 70 tons. By the way, this chain cutter significantly reduces the wear of the excavator's slewing mechanism. In addition, it saves 40% energy compared to a conventional rotary cutter without a center chain, with the same productivity. Do you need to work efficiently on an open-cut mining operation or prepare a construction site for further work? Or maybe you need to remove an old road surface or reclaim land? We would like to point out that the Terrain Leveler ground excavation machine is ideally suited for this job. This technological monster will certainly break through almost any surface and will really make your work easier. The ideal tool for keeping hedges in shape is the hedge trimmer for giant loaders and skid steer loaders. The blade system consists of special hardened blades that ensure a clear and even cut of branches up to 3 centimeters. Since you can tilt the blade 180 degrees, you can cut hedges vertically and horizontally. As you can see, one advantage and no disadvantages. This is an Ecotech remote-controlled machine with an automatic leveling motor. It's designed for efficient grass cutting in the most extreme conditions. It is a small but powerful assistant that can reach maximum speed even on steep slopes. You will definitely enjoy its work. Dipper Fox is a professional stump grinder that will please any user of heavy equipment. The machine drills perfectly through stumps and their roots, driving all the remains deep into the ground. Therefore, there is no more need for additional clearing of the logging site. And what's more, you no longer need to collect, transport, and dispose of the remains. Such a time and resource saver. Swathing is one of the most important links in the overall forage harvesting chain. Despite its large working width, the quality of a swath formation must be at the highest level. The Model Tor 1403S, with a maximum working width of 14 meters, is a new 4-rotor swather from Pottinger in the professional class. Along with proven technology, numerous technical innovations in the model ensure excellent ground contour following and gentle processing. The Horsch seeding complex with Trimble navigation is a next-generation anchor seed drill with working widths of 6.8, 9, and 12 meters, capable of preparing the soil, sowing, and fertilizing in one pass. The strengths of this model are particularly evident when seeding in mulch. So if you want to combine multiple technological operations into one working pass while simultaneously increasing the precision of seed and fertilizer placement in the soil profile, this equipment is exactly what you need. Friends, we present an all-electric mulcher with remote control. This model has a battery power of 10 kilowatts with the most innovative MNC lithium manganese cobalt batteries. These characteristics are enough to keep the technique running for 3 to 5 hours without respite, depending on the working conditions. With a 220-volt charger, the battery charging time is only 6 hours. The intelligent BMS controls the optimal power consumption of the batteries. The company manufacturing snow removal machines wanted to find out what would happen if they put one of their machines against 100 pumpkins. As expected, the results were terrifyingly destructive. The equipment quickly dealt with the pumpkins, spraying pieces over a considerable distance. By the way, the pumpkins used in the experiment were defective and would have simply rotted in the field if they hadn't been selected for a meeting with the snowplow. The new self-propelled combine, Dolby HAC 5000, can take pride in its design. Thanks to a modern approach to manufacturing, the developers have achieved increased machine productivity, avoidance of fiber contamination with soil, and simplified logistics. Moreover, this model stands out for its ability to bale up to 100 rolls of 475 kilograms each per day. We agree, the performance is impressive. How about this professional high-performance machine from TMAC? This technological giant can bale up to 3 bales simultaneously, which is guaranteed to satisfy even the most demanding farmer. Presenting the T05 forage baler, currently the most advanced and powerful machine in the company's lineup. Mechanized harvesting on large farms is a real lifesaver for farmers. While some use small handheld devices for these purposes, others go all in and invest in large harvesting machines. This equipment allows for the simultaneous collection of a larger quantity of coffee. The rotating and vibrating rods in the machine knock the berries off, causing them to fall into the attached hopper. Such machinery significantly saves time, but it can only be used on flat areas of their land holdings. The key purpose of the Komatsu underwater bulldozer is to move large volumes of soil over short distances. The machine is capable of removing layers of soil and backfilling it, leveling sites, and performing many other tasks underwater. It's also indispensable during the construction of dams, dikes, and other structures. The bulldozer is often used for contouring roadbeds, ditches, and embankments before construction. Ventrax's new model RV602 vacuum collection system is a professional's choice for all lawn care needs on commercial properties and home sites. Whether it's cleaning up fast-growing grass in the spring or cleaning up the fall leaves covering your yard, the vac system is the right choice for a quick job of taking care of your lawn. The new range of QRX V-type wheel rakes with 12, 14, or 16 wheels is a user-friendly machinery with a sturdy frame, thus ensuring splendid productivity in terms of both quantity and quality. Another significant advantage of this equipment lies in its relative compactness, providing enhanced maneuverability in narrow spaces and on uneven terrain. Do you want to see what the most efficient combines look like? Capable of providing comfortable, productive, and safe work on slopes of up to 30%? Then just take a look at the New Holland CX Combine in the Everest version. It's a true technical wonder, perfectly suited for working on hilly terrain. With the ability to load a 1,000-bushel trailer in approximately 7 minutes, the massive Loftness grain bagger significantly outperforms its competitors. Not only is its speed remarkable, but also its durability and reliability. Listing the best qualities of the machine? No problem. Stable transportation between sites, quick setup, ease of operation, and maintenance. It's clear why Loftness is one of the leading brands in grain packaging equipment. This automated apple-picking robot is the brainchild of the startup Robotics Plus. It aims to increase fruit harvesting efficiency and ensure consistent quality. The robot does the work of 2 people, but the company's owner assures that it's not about replacing people with machines, but addressing the labor shortage issue. Well, let's see what the future holds. The entire range of equipment from Titan is excellent, without exception. Their machines have the right proportions and provide superior stability, maneuverability, cargo visibility, and excellent ground clearance. The main advantage is undoubtedly the fine shredding of fertilizing material, semi-solid manure, compost or waste, and even coverage of the fields. Not to mention the high working speed of the machines and the quality finishing. The new capabilities of Lely Vector help farmers maintain profitability, sustainability, and confidence in the future. And what could be better, my friends? The latest changes have affected the lifting mechanism and the loading system on the machine, and the feed robot itself has been significantly improved. Another important aspect that directly speaks of the company's customer trust is that this feeding system is successfully used on numerous dairy and livestock farms in 31 countries worldwide. Let's mention the automatic cow skin brush, Happy Cow Duo. Well, to be honest, just the name itself makes you smile. In reality, when using this 2-brush device, cows willingly and independently clean themselves. It's all about the animal's comfort. Effectively massaging the skin, it improves blood circulation and metabolism in cows, which positively affects milk yield and stimulates their reproductive cycle. Futterspierball is a unique ball with a diameter of 40 centimeters that can be used in the stable, pasture, or pen. It has 19 feeding holes, each measuring 70 millimeters. Inside, you can load up to 3 kilograms of hay and hang it with a rope or chain. As we know, calves love playing with swinging balls, especially when they contain food. So now you definitely know how to enrich the lives of your hooved herd. Stone collecting machines have long become one of the most crucial tools in the global agricultural sector, making rocky lands suitable for cultivation. This stone collector picks up stones from the surface of your field, reaching depths of up to 30 centimeters, while also performing soil cultivation tasks. A convenient device indeed. What could be better for a farmer than automating their work? Well, no more manually picking up fallen apples. With the industrial apple harvester Spartan, everything becomes much easier. This fruit harvesting machine is a reliable assistant in such a challenging task. Have you ever heard of the Root A1 Virgo 1? It's the name of the self-propelled vegetable harvesting robot equipped with cameras and sensors that perform the actual vision function. The robot can work in greenhouses and on open plantations at any time of day, thanks to built-in lamps. It's controlled by an artificial intelligence system, so Virgo 1 can determine the ripeness of vegetables, such as tomatoes, and harvest them without damaging the plant stems with its flexible fingers. Let's return to 4-rotor rakes again, but this time from a different company, Kubota. This model is truly an excellent solution for the process of perfect raking, even in challenging conditions. Moreover, the manufacturer ensured that it is equipped with a unique combination of a flexible rotor support arm and a 3-dimensional suspension, providing unmatched terrain following and clean raking. Now you have a powerful and quite efficient equipment for mechanical weed control. This cultivator automates weeding and soil loosening in the rows and around plants in vineyards. The main advantage of this tractor with its cultivator is that it moves not over the plants, but on the sides of the rows, so you can be completely confident about your harvest. The enormous iron monster on your screens is actually the large-scale planter Primera DMC. Interestingly, regardless of the farming method used, the machine handles all conditions excellently. Thanks to its unique chisel coulter, you can definitely count on the highest quality in terms of precision seeding and seed coverage on plowed soil, cultivated areas, and direct seeding. The Diegelmann Land Roller can rightfully be called one of the heaviest and most reliable in its category. It's perfect for cultivating peas, beans, and lentils, and can also create the ideal bed of hay, grass, and silage. The machine features a unique floating hitch system, which provides greater flexibility when working in the field. With these floating hydraulic cylinders, the roller can move freely across uneven terrain without limitations. An excellent solution, I must say. Let's discuss the new CID attachment installed on the RT120 mini loader. Let's face it, this rotary cutter is a truly unique attachment that simply must be in your collection. The cutter is designed for trimming unwanted tree branches on roadsides and behind certain fences. The technique is also great for clearing pond banks and paving trails. The Wood Terminator tractor chipper that comes with the new John Deere tractor is a dynamic and flexible business. This is the brainchild of a brand that offers cost-effective solutions for farmers and foresters. The one-piece planetary gears and drives of their machinery are powered by oil engines and a closed-loop hydraulic unit. It's thanks to this approach that all the machine's mechanisms work powerfully and at the same time very smoothly. The Fendt Ideal 9T is a machine that demonstrates true wonders of productivity during short periods of crop harvesting, providing unparalleled quality and exceptional reliability. You can control the machine using the Ideal Drive joystick. This machine can confidently be called a smart solution, as it allows you to take the crop harvesting process to a new level with its cutting-edge sensors and intelligent network solutions. And while some workers keep up with the times, simplifying their work, others keep coming up with newer and newer ways to make the work process as simple as possible and go home faster. As you can see, the guy's ingenuity works pretty well. Thank you for being a part of our Smart Tech community. If you enjoyed this video on heavy equipment machines, modern agricultural technology, and agri-engineering, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment to show your support.